Hi everyone, do you know that in 2026, millions of jobs will be replaced by AI? The question is, will yours be one of them? Hey, it's Textanis, and today we're diving into the 10 AI tools that are set to replace jobs by 2026. Some of these tools are incredible, others are terrifying. Let's see if your career makes the list. Imagine not just a chatbot, but an AI employee. ChatGPT 7 won't just write emails, it'll negotiate contracts, manage projects, and even make decisions. Entry-level administrative jobs, gone. Video presenters, anchors, even influencers will have competition. These AI avatars look and sound human. A marketing team that once needed 5 people, now replaced by one AI tool. Graphic designers, beware. Midjourney Ultra will create logos, ads, and entire brand campaigns in seconds. Creative agencies will shrink, and AI-driven design will dominate. Lawyers aren't safe either. AutoLaw AI will draft contracts, predict case outcomes, and handle research faster than a human team. Routine legal jobs vanishing. In healthcare, AI will outperform junior doctors in diagnosis. MedAI can detect diseases from scans with near-perfect accuracy. Radiologists, pathologists, watch this space. Wall Street is already testing this. By 2026, AI traders will execute strategies in milliseconds, replacing thousands of junior analysts. Finance isn't human anymore, it's algorithmic. Hollywood too? Yes. ScriptForge will generate full movie scripts, novels, and ads. Writers who don't adapt will be outpaced by machines. Chefs aren't safe either. RoboChef AI will create recipes tailored to your health, cook them with precision, and even adjust taste profiles. Fast food chains will replace humans with robots. Construction jobs will change forever. Billboard AI will design, 3D print, and assemble structures with minimal human oversight. Architects and engineers will shift to supervisory roles. Teachers, not gone, but transformed. Teach AI will personalize learning for every student. One AI can replace dozens of tutors, reshaping education forever. These AI tools aren't just replacing jobs, they're rewriting the economy. But here's the twist. If you learn how to use them, you won't lose your job. You'll be the one running the AI that replaces everyone else. So, will you adapt or be replaced? Let me know in the comments which tool shocked you the most. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and join me on this journey into the future of tech.